Here begins the journey of Parthenais Bull leather for luxury jackets.
Healthy Parthenais Bull ensure premium leather for luxury jackets.
Documentation tracks Parthenais Bull leather for every luxury jackets batch. Ethical sourcing defines our Parthenais Bull leather for luxury jackets. Raw Parthenais bull hides are prepared for luxury jackets tanning.
Salt curing protects Parthenais bull leather for future luxury jackets.
Stacked Parthenais bull hides await luxury jackets production. Forklifts move Parthenais bull leather to luxury jackets transport.
Parthenais bull leather leaves for the luxury jackets factory.
Refrigerated trucks carry Parthenais bull leather toward the luxury jackets factory. Long-haul trucks deliver fresh Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets production. Parthenais bull leather arrives at the luxury jackets manufacturing district. Security checks confirm Parthenais bull leather quality for luxury jackets. Parthenais bull hides are unloaded for luxury jackets processing. Parthenais bull leather moves deeper into the luxury jackets facility. Parthenais bull hides enter the luxury jackets sorting line.
Every Parthenais bull hide is logged for luxury jackets traceability.
Parthenais bull leather reaches the luxury jackets cleaning stage. Parthenais bull leather begins its transformation for luxury jackets. Parthenais bull hides enter a controlled luxury jackets tannery environment. This facility transforms Parthenais bull hides into leather for luxury jackets. Every Parthenais bull hide reaches the luxury jackets factory through secured receiving. Safe handling protects both Parthenais bull leather and luxury jackets craftsmanship. Clean entry keeps Parthenais bull hides ready for precise luxury jackets processing. The Parthenais bull hide batch is approved for luxury jackets production. Traceability follows Parthenais bull leather through every luxury jacket stage. Hydraulic handling moves Parthenais bull hides gently into luxury jackets processing. Parthenais bull hides now approach the first luxury jackets cleaning process. Cleaning begins the transformation of Parthenais bull hides into luxury jackets leather. Rehydration readies Parthenais bull hides for precise luxury jackets grading. Drained Parthenais bull hides move to the luxury jackets grading line.
Skilled graders classify every Parthenais bull hide for luxury jackets.
Even small marks influence the grade of Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Each Parthenais bull hide follows its correct luxury jackets processing lane. Fine cleaning prepares premium Parthenais bull hides for luxury jackets. Dehairing prepares Parthenais bull hides for structural luxury jackets processing. Trimming refines Parthenais bull hides for uniform luxury jackets thickness. Limbing opens the fibers of Parthenais bull hides for luxury jackets. Deliming completes cleaning and prepares Parthenais bull hides for luxury jackets. Parthenais bull hides enter the core tanning stage for luxury jackets. Measured chemistry turns Parthenais bull hides into luxury jackets leather. Time and motion let Parthenais bull leather absorb the luxury jackets treatment. Time and motion let Parthenais bull leather absorb the luxury jackets treatment. Wringing removes moisture from Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Splitting creates the exact thickness needed for luxury jackets leather. Shaving refines Parthenais bull leather for a premium luxury jackets finish. Neutralization prepares Parthenais bull leather for finishing luxury jackets chemistry. Smoothing gives Parthenais bull leather consistency for luxury jackets production. Now the Parthenais bull leather is ready for the luxury jackets transformation. Color begins to define the final character of Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Inside the drum, Parthenais bull leather absorbs the luxury jacket's dye evenly. Dyed Parthenais bull leather moves forward to gain softness for luxury jackets. Fat liquoring gives Parthenais bull leather the supple feel required for luxury jackets. Controlled drying stabilizes Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Tension drying keeps Parthenais bull leather broad and even for luxury jackets. Staking brings movement back into Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Surface preparation readies Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets cutting. Parthenais bull leather is now shaped into the pieces of luxury jackets. Parthenais bull leather is now shaped into the pieces of luxury jackets. High-tech robotics apply a uniform finish to Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Infrared curing bonds the finish to the Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Lasers scan Parthenais bull leather to ensure perfection for every luxury jacket's piece. Digital nesting optimizes every inch of Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Precision CNC cutting shapes the Parthenais bull leather into luxury jackets components. Automation organizes Parthenais bull leather panels for the luxury jackets assembly line. Skiving ensures the Parthenais bull leather seams remain elegant on luxury jackets. The luxury jackets mark is permanently set into the Parthenais bull leather. Digital tags protect the authenticity of Parthenais bull leather luxury jackets. Finished Parthenais bull leather components move toward final luxury jackets assembly. Master tailors begin assembling Parthenais bull leather into luxury jackets. Precision stitching joins Parthenais bull leather for luxury jacket structure. Symmetry is critical when joining Parthenais bull leather for luxury jackets. Side seams define the silhouette of the Parthenais bull leather luxury jackets. Sleeve shaping gives Parthenais bull leather luxury jackets their elegant drape. Expert sleeve setting makes Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets move with the wearer. The collar is the signature of Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets craftsmanship. Collar attachment transforms Parthenais Bull leather into recognizable luxury jackets. Precision pockets add functionality to Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets. Luxurious silk linings complement the Parthenais Bull leather in every luxury jacket's piece. Every Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets begins its final quality verification. Expert eyes verify the Parthenais Bull leather grain meets luxury jacket standards. Stitch tension testing ensures Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets' durability. Spectrophotometry confirms consistent color across every Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets. Spectrophotometry confirms consistent color across every Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets. Thickness gauges confirm Parthenais Bull leather uniformity for luxury jackets quality. Flex testing proves Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets will age gracefully. Mannequin fitting ensures perfect proportions for every Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets. Authenticity seals confirm genuine Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets heritage. Every Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets earns its passage to luxury packaging. From raw Parthenais bull hide to finished luxury jackets, every step is verified. Premium packaging protects the Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets in transit. Each Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets box is secured for global dispatch. Outer cartons secure multiple Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets for freight. Stretch wrapping stabilizes the Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets pallets. Pallets of Parthenais Bull leather luxury jackets enter high-density storage.